how to get free goodies on Temu. So if you didn't know, Temu offers a free stuff if you have just logged into the account and you share it with your friends or family to make them use your referral code. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, you'll have to download Temu from Play Store and open it, and make sure you sign into your account using your Gmail or phone number. And once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by this homepage, and under below you can see there are many tabs. You just tap on this U section, and from here you can tap on the settings at the top right here and open the settings, and make sure your country is selected to the US. So I have already selected this, so make sure you do that as well. And once you do that, you come back to this U section, and below address you can see there is an option for earn credits and free gifts. Just tap on it, and here you can claim some free items. So you can select 5 items for $0. Just tap on it, and you can pick 5 items right here, ranging from laptops, monitors to watches. So for now I'm just gonna pick this watch and pick the gift like so. Once you have picked your gift, what you can do is click on next. Once you have picked your desired gifts, you can check out and tap this one. This will take you to the referral link. So you can cut the price like this. So I've got $3, and you can pick any cards right now. So I'm just gonna pick the middle one. It doesn't matter. So it's gonna cut another 21 cents from the gift. And you can use all of these to cut your price. So you can even click on cut more and invite your friends. If you don't want your friends to know, what you can do is send a invite link to your family members and cut your price to $0 by sending them invite link and make them use your referral code. And that's how you can get free stuff on Temu. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.